من السفارة الكورية والشركات الكورية التي سوف تقدم لنا إن شاء الله اليوم بعدد من التقنيات الكورية في مجال الدرونز. الدرونز يعتبر من المجالات المهمة في الوقت الحالي. سلطان الدرونز يعتبر من المجالات المهمة في المملكة العربية السعودية في الوقت الحالي. أعتقد أنه سيخدم القطاع الزراعي في المملكة خلال الفترة القادمة، وهناك تجارب تمت خلال الفترة الماضية مع عدد من الشركات الأجنبية، وكان عندنا قبل 2 أو 3 ورشة عمل كبرى حضرها معالي الوزير، وحضرت أفضل 7 شركات على مستوى العالم، وأعتقد عدد المشاهدات يمكن وصل 1,000,000 لها. إن شاء الله خلال الفترة القادمة في تطورات كبيرة في الوزارة. عندنا إن شاء الله في تنظيم أكبر معرض لطائرات الدرونز في العالم، أتوقع بيكون إن شاء الله في شهر فبراير، والشركة المنفذة زملائنا وش اسم شركتكم؟ ديجيتال إيميج. إن شاء الله بتكون تنظيم تقريبا 300 شركة عالمية على مستوى العالم من جميع القارات. إن شاء الله بيكون شهر فبراير، وإن شاء الله بيكون الحضور على أعلى مستوى سواء من الوزير أو أعلى من ذلك إن شاء الله. أنا أعتقد الدرونز من المستهدفات لنا في المملكة، خصوصا في المزارع الكبيرة. عندنا عدد من المشاريع مع عدد من الجامعات في السعودية، خصوصا جامعة الملك سعود، لاستخدام طائرات الدرونز. عندنا تنسيق وتعاون مع بعض الشركات الكبرى، وخصوصا في الصين وعدد من الجهات الحكومية بهذا الموضوع. أتمنى اليوم إن شاء الله نرى أهم التقنيات الكورية في هذا المجال. عدد من الهيئات الحكومية واتحاد الدرونز حاضرين معانا، والسبراني ولا لا، في عدد من الجهات جايين معانا إن شاء الله مهتمين في هذا المجال. أتمنى خلال اليوم نطلع بتصور عن التقنيات الكورية في مجال الدرونز، وأهمية أن يكون إن شاء الله في اتفاقيات قادمة مع الشركات. الورشة ستبث إن شاء الله على تويتر، وأعتقد أنه عدد كبير من مسؤولي الوزارة سيطلعون على ماذا سوف يتم اليوم إن شاء الله. أتمنى لكم التوفيق، بس نتمنى أنه في نهاية الورشة يكون في حوالي ربع ساعة فترة للنقاش وطرح بعض الاستفسارات إن شاء الله. تفضل.
혹시 그거 죄송합니다. 그 장관도 그 공지가 있는데 모든 걸 좀 영어로 해달라고 합니다. 한국어가 아니고 발표도 영어로 다 좀 해주시라고 합니다. 네. 혹시 지금 저 국장님 말씀하신 거 간단하게 좀 한국어로 다 좀 이렇게 소개해 주시고 요약해 주실 수 있나요?
네. 우선 여기 오신 모든 스님 여러분들께 감사 인사를 드리면서 이번 계기를 통해서 사우디 정부와 민간 기업들 한국과의 교류를 통해 가지고.
طيب هو قاعد يترجم الحين. هو قاعد يترجم الحين.
산업이 많이 발달한 것을 이야기를 많이 들었고, 그래서 여기서 사우디 사람들이 한국에 가서 많이 배울 수 있기를 원하고 특별히 이번 로드쇼를 통해서 시작된 이런 협력 관계가 앞으로도 계속해서 사우디와 한국과의 발전에 크게 기여할 수 있기를 바랍니다. 예, 이런 내용으로 얘기했습니다.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Bender. Right now, we will try and do everything in English. My name is Steve Yun. I'm with the Deputy Director of Kocha Riyadh, a commercial section of the Korea Embassy. We have been working very closely with NEWA on many occasions, and we would like to thank you for the warm welcome and for the Korea drone delegation. Just to proceed with the event efficiently, please allow me to be like an informal MC today. I especially would like to thank Dr. Bandar Mohammed Al-Sagan, Director General of MEWA, for kindly supporting us today. From Korea, we have Mr. Dong-hyun Kim, Director of Advanced Aviation Division of MULIT, as head of the delegation. And please, we would like to welcome Mr. Kim for a short greeting.
Yes, thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Nice to meet you. I'm the Director of Advanced Aviation Division at the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure and Transport of the Republic of Korea. First of all, I would like to say thank you for inviting and welcoming to Korean delegation. I hope today's meeting will be helpful to both Korea and Saudi Arabia. Many Korean drone companies, including who visit this time, have a lot of drone operation experience as well as high-level technology. In the field of infrastructure management, spatial information utilization, environment monitoring, and etc., they can give higher quality service and eager to find way that the partnership between two countries become bigger. Furthermore, Korean government has built several drone infrastructure, and the drone company can test their project functions and capabilities. Also, government try to relieve the burden by regulations. I believe our experience will be useful for Saudi Arabia growing drone industry and improving efficiency of a lot of public services. Once again, I want to say thank you, and I wish relationship between two countries be more strengthened from now on. Thank you.
So we have with us today 7 companies and multiple agencies. Can we just have a short introduction for each company? So maybe we can start with the Korea side. We will introduce our delegation today. 그 간단하게 혹시 그럼 기관별 한 분씩만 인원문이 많으시니까요. 한 분씩만 좀 기관이나 기업 소개를 좀 해주실 수 있나요? 저쪽부터 이렇게 시계 방향으로 좀 돌면 좋겠습니다.
سيتم تعريف بسيط بكل الشركات. نبدأ من اليمين.
What's the name for the first company? The name?
그 기업명도 영어로 좀 소개 부탁드립니다.
If you stand there, I think it's better, please. The one who will speak. أعتقد لو رايح هناك أفضل صح؟ I think it's better if you can go there. Yeah, it's better to be in the front of us.
그러면은 그 한 분씩 그 앞으로 나오시는 게 좋겠습니다.
Yeah, it's better for the all. Yeah. The one who will speak, it's better to go there for all the people.
그럼 각 기업마다 대표로 인사드릴 분들 한 분씩만 앞으로 이렇게 나와주세요. 미리 나와 계시면 좋을 것 같습니다.
technology, and we can start working to commercialize the drone industry in Korea and also to commercialize the drone for all over the world. So that's why we are here. And from today's this event, we want to have a good mutual cooperation with the Saudi and Korea. Thank you.
Hello, this is Soo Kim, head of overseas sales, a company named Quaternion, and I would like to present a little bit our presentation in the room. By the way, anyhow, big thanks for this time to share us today. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Kangmin Kim, and I'm working as a software engineer in LH Tax One, which is one of the biggest defense industry company in Korea, and we're just specialized in anti-drone system, which means like countermeasure in drones as a threat, and thank you.
Hello everyone, thank you for your warm welcome to us here. And I am Van Park and working as a global business development manager from Mesa. Mesa is a spatial data startup which provides cloud-based drone 3D mapping platform specializing in construction industry. But today, I would like to introduce our new platform related to golf management of golf course. Since it can be directly applied to agriculture field as well to manage a green condition. So I'm really excited and happy to see the cooperation together. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. Asma Songjin Park. My company name is Systec. I'm CEO. My company is city-scale, wide-range 3D model-based digital twin service company. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. My name is Peter. I'm a co-founder and CEO of a company named Angel Swing. So I'd like to introduce a little bit of our company later. So I'll just pass this mic to the audience.
Okay, so that's the representative. Or should we start with the presentation?
No, it's up to the staff, but how many times it will take?
It'll take about 5 to 10 minutes each for the companies.
It's 7
Yeah, it's 6 per presentation. Okay. Sorry.
تم عرض حاليا 6 شرائح.
Okay, so we will start with Angel Swing. I present it.
Hello, everybody. My name is Peter, co-founder and CEO of Angel Swing. I'll brief about our company. To tell you about our company, we are building something called real-time updating map for our planet. We started with a small job site, construction job site, and we are actually moving towards the city size level and other infrastructures. And hopefully, we are going to reach to the planet-size real-time monitoring solutions at the end of 2030, just like Saudis Vision 2030. So to introduce our company, it's a software company, and we are a digital twin company. And we've been serving South Korea's one of the most known general contractors, named like Samsung C&T, Hyundai E&C, also present here in Saudi Arabia for building infrastructures as well as very important facilities for this country. More than 220 plus job sites currently using our solution. And our solution helps people to have better visibility and better documentation about the job site. So I'll show you how it actually helps the people who are working in the field or physical job site. So this is an example from construction industry, but this technology is not only limited to construction, but also applied to agriculture, water management, facility management, many other parts. So first of all, on a web browser or your tablet or smartphone, you can visualize your job site in 2D and 3D visualization very easily using our solution. Not only that, you can save your timeline of your job site constructions or projects within your web browser, meaning that whenever there's a problem, you can go back to a different date and actually see the problems and find the root causes of the problem very well. And this important data is not only used for just for visualizing the job site, but also using it for accurate construction projects that actually guarantee the quality and also the precision of the construction. Most of the times, you will find
التركيب.
every construction project there are problems, and these problems can be avoided with
هناك يمكن تجنب العديد من المشاكل لدقة هذه المباني وهذه التقنية تؤدي إلى عرض هذه البيانات بدقة. وعند التقاط هذه الصورة نستخدم تقنية الذكاء الاصطناعي.
This Saudi Arabia focusing on making the agriculture regarding palm trees.
إذا الجانب السعودي مهتم بأشجار النخيل.
As well as using an NDVI or special sensor like multispectral sensor,
يمكن استخدام العديد من المستحثات لإضافة الأسمدة والمبيدات بدقة بناء على هذه التقنية.
Another very important part regarding building an infrastructure for the water and the dam is actually the surveying part.
تقنية أخرى لبناء السدود.
Surveyors to the job site and to do the survey, but using our solution, you can sit at the back office or head
يمكن استخدام هذه التقنية وإدارتها من داخل المكتب بدون إرسال فريق العمل إلى موقع السدود. ويتم تحويل الصور من درونز إلى صور ثلاثية الأبعاد لتحليل البيانات، وهذه التقنية لم تكن متاحة سابقا. كوزارة لوزارة البيئة أيضا والمياه يمكن تطبيق هذه التقنية لمتابعة مصادر المياه وأيضا تحليل جودة المياه وتحديد نمو الطحالب من عدمه من خلال هذه الحساسات بهذه التقنية الجديدة. هذا كله متاح من خلال هذه التقنية. ومن مميزات هذه التقنية تحديث هذه الخرائط بصفة مستمرة وبدقة عالية. طبعا المملكة العربية السعودية تتجه إلى دولة متطورة ومدينة متطورة، لذلك هذه البيانات وتحليلها مهم جدا. تقنية درونز، صناديق درونز، وإرسال هذه
So basically what we are suggesting is now, Saudi Arabia should look towards to installing these kind of infrastructures, making sure that these things, data collection part is fully automated. And now what is left
تجميع هذه البيانات بصفة أوتوماتيكية ما بين هذه صناديق الدرونز. شركتنا متخصصة في حساسات إلكترونية. نحن مستعدين لتنفيذ أي مشروع حسب طلب الجانب السعودي. شكرا جزيلا لاستماعكم.
Thank you. Angels Wing. Next we have CSTech. And thank you Angels Wing for giving us some insight into the agriculture
شكرا لكم.
for the drones. 발표하실 때 가급적 좀 농업 관련된 부분들 좀 최대한 부각시켜 주시면 도움이 많이 될 것 같습니다. 감사합니다. 5분 내지 10분 정도로 짧게 이렇게 진행해 주시면 좋을 것 같습니다. 감사합니다.
مرحبا جميعا. تقنية الدرونز الموجودة في الشركة تستطيع الطيران مدة 2.5 ساعات. 50 كيلومتر يمكن تصويرها في خلال 24 ساعة. ويمكن بناء هذا التصميم بأبعاد ثلاثية بدقة.
The production of three high-resolution 3D models. And then we can also identify objects and
يمكن تحديد
target building automatically.
المواقع المستهدفة للدراسة.
In this slide, I can summarize
في هذه الشريحة
my technology in one sentence.
يمكن توضيح
A wide range
جودة
and quickly
هذه التقنية السريعة والزاوية عريضة
high resolution.
وبدقة عالية، دقة وضوح صورة عالية.
Hardware, we have three major advantages: drone strap drone, development technology, and mobility GIS, GCS operation technology, and range calculation technology. Our software is we have AI-based tool automatically 3D model.
وأيضا باستخدام تقنية الذكاء الاصطناعي يمكن بناء هذه النماذج ثلاثية الأبعاد بطريقة تلقائية. باستخدام تقنية شركاتنا تم تنفيذ ذلك في 50 مدينة.
In this case, 150 km construction
150 كيلو متر يمكن تصويرها باستخدام 5 طائرات درونز في اتجاهات مختلفة لتغطية المشروع كامل. ممكن أيضا استرجاع الصور ما بين شهور أكتوبر ومايو. من خلال 5 طائرات درون متوالية يمكن أخذ هذه الصور بدقة عالية. وهذا موقع لإنتاج البترول. ويمكن من خلال هذه الصور متابعة التغيرات المختلفة. هذه الشريحة توضح لنا إمكانية المقارنة بين الصور السابقة والتالية. وأيضا قطاعات في داخل الصورة على مستويات مختلفة. وهنا في هذه الشريحة نوضح المناطق الزراعية المختلفة. من خلال هذه التقنية يمكن في المملكة العربية السعودية متابعة المناطق الزراعية ومتابعة المساحات المختلفة. هذا محصول للبصل ومحصول الخس وبطاطس وأيضا محصول الجزر. تم تنفيذ ذلك من خلال الحكومة الكورية. وهذا نظام ثلاثي الأبعاد تم التقاطه من خلال التقنية الجديدة بالشركة. هذا تصوير ثلاثي الأبعاد. هذه طائرات الدرونز لها قدرة على تصوير ثلاثي الأبعاد وتجنب أي اعتراضات أو عوارض في طريق تحركها. شكرا في اهتمامكم والإنصات.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Peck. And we'll swiftly move on to Cortania.
So again, thank you for your grace time for us to give such.
شكرا لوقتكم لإعطائنا فرصة لمشاركتكم هذه العرض.
Very old man say, seeing is believing. So I just prepared small videos which show here our drones operation, not auto wire. So you can feel the real operation, how we operate, and in the end, how we can present for your country.
سوف نعرض عليكم فيديو لإحساس كيف طائرات درون خاصتنا تعمل خاص بخدمات الزراعية. نحن نصمم وننتج وأيضا ندير. هي منظومة متكاملة سواء تصوير أرضي أو إدارة مراكز تجميع بيانات طائرات الدرونز. في المستقبل القريب نحقق هذه التقنية لدى الوزارة بالمملكة. هذه الطائرات درونز مخصصة لإعطاء حلول للشواطئ أو للحدود ما بين المناطق المختلفة. هذه محطة تجميع البيانات من طائرات درون مختلفة. تفتح هذه الطائرة تم عملية الإقلاع نظريا ممكن تطير لمدة 24 ساعة بناء على طاقة يمكن القيام بمهام التصوير على مدار 24 ساعة. يمكن متابعة من خلال البرنامج موقع الطائرة تصوير لحظة بلحظة، التصوير في لحظتها. دقة الصورة. هذه أحدث تقنية لدينا لمراقبة ومتابعة مصادر المياه. لها قدرة طيران فوق سطح الماء. وأيضا في مناطق السدود لها قدرة على قياس سرعة المياه، سرعة تحرك المياه، وبالتالي إرسال هذه البيانات لمتخذ القرار. بالتالي يمكن تطبيق ذلك في التنبؤ بالفيضانات أو التعامل مع مثل هذه المواقف. هذا مشروع تم إنشاؤه من خلال الحكومة الكورية. هذه الطائرة هي الوحيدة التي لها قدرة على الطيران في مثل هذه الظروف. هذه أمطار غزيرة جدا، فقط طائرة خاصتنا بالتقنية هذه هي التي وحيدة لها قدرة على الطيران. أنظمة التعاون معنا أنظمة مختلفة. يوجد عندنا أكثر من 64 حل تقني لتطبيقات طائرات الدرونز وتنفيذ العديد من المهام في الزراعة، في الصناعة. في خدمات السكك الحديدية ومتابعتها، المناطق السياحية، الحدود، وأيضا داخل المدن. يوجد فقط لدينا تقنية 2 كيلو جرام من طائرات الدرونز داخل السيارة، يمكن استخدامها بكل سهولة. يمكن استخدامها في عمليات الإنقاذ السريع. أيضا على المراكب يمكن متابعة.
Even you can dispatch aircraft, helicopters, fire trucks, but also with this kind of solution on your pickup truck with drone, and she can have more flexibility for your coverage of such missions. I will skip this one. We also developed many different kinds of payload and GCS. I will skip right away. Yes, any kind of safety is our missions. Our mission is to take care of your any kind of safety concerns. Thank you again, all. That's it.
Thank you. That was our opinion. And next we have Mesa.
Hello everyone. Again, thank you for having us here, and I'll make it brief and compact. So Mesa is spatial data startups. As I explained, our technology is specializing in construction industry, actually. But as you can see here on the left side, we did a successful POC with the Saudi Aramco offshore oil plant construction in Oman. And on the right side, when it comes to infrastructure, Dongbu Corporation with our solution was able to digitize 8-kilometer long embankment along the Mekong River located in Laos. But today, I don't want to talk about construction. I would like to tell you about our new business about green condition. So Mesa has been recognized by globally trusted construction companies like Hyundai ENC or DA ENC, etc. And 8 out of top 10 Korean construction companies has already implemented our solution to manage their construction site. And also, thanks to our technology and expertise and specialties, with the Kai Korea Aero Industry, we established a joint venture called Mesa Planet for satellite imagery market. So, as I explained, here is about the problems in turf management of golf course facing here. So, there are 3 main problems. First one is their workflow is all of the labor intensive, and it's hard to do their work on the vast golf course. And second one is inefficient communication, and the last one is difficult to obtain the quantitative data regarding the vegetation condition health management. So there are 2 types of monitoring ways. First one is cost-effective, the optical drones. So easy and effectively you can get the ultra high resolution bird's eye view of your job site. And furthermore, if you are using the drones equipped with a multispectral sensor, then you can get the advanced vegetation condition data. And don't worry about it if you don't have expertise for the flying the drones, because with the automated flying settings, any team members can fly with just a few clicks. And also, even it's a big area, it's gonna take like 30 minutes, under 30 minutes, when it comes to golf course. And as you can see here, if you're using our solution, you can check the 2D maps and 3D models of your golf course to check your green conditions. And through time analysis and monitoring function, you can intuitively check the changes of your green conditions of your golf course. When it comes to the communication, managing large golf course sometimes involves the inefficient communications happens within the team. But if you're using our issue management function on our platform, you can check your issues. You can easily create and share your issues just via link to your team. So with using our solution, you can easily discuss and communicate with your other team members or stakeholders. So this is 3D model of your golf course. So with the actual coordinate data, so you can have X, Y, Z, real world location data. So with this data, you can do each calculation of length, distance, area, volume, even elevation at your site. By integrating CCTV on your platform, you can intuitively check and manage your golf course and where the cameras are pointing. With our mobile application, you can also, as you can see here, you can also see directly the location, real-time and historical location of your team members or stakeholders working at the vast field. By using multispectral sensors, you can get the advanced data of regarding growing conditions. And because sometimes some data, these types of data is kind of hard to see with your naked eyes. So if you pass the golden time to manage and protect your growing conditions, this is very necessary and crucial. By capturing the area, also you can see the quantitative data depending on your vegetation conditions as well. So the most important thing is you don't need to worry about your data is all over the world spread here and there. So you can manage and control all the data regarding the vegetation condition on our dashboard. Thank you for your time again. So if you have any questions, we can discuss it later more. Thank you so much.
Thank you. That was Mesa. And our last presentation is LIG Next One.
Assalamu alaikum. First of all, it is a great honor to introduce our anti-drone system, since we're counter unmanned aerial vehicle to Saudi Arabian Ministry of Environment, Water, and Agriculture. I'm a software engineer working as an LIG system and specialized in anti-drone system. This is the picture that our company just developed and researches in defense field. And actually, we sold over 17 billion won in last year, and we contracted MOU with Saudi Arabian government in last year, and I heard that Saudi Arabia used our weapon as to defend the country. This is our research and development office and centers. We have numbers of research centers in Korea, and also we have a office in Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. And we have 4,213 employees in Korea, and half of them are research engineers, which means that if the devices have problems, we can fix it rapidly, and we fully understand how it works and how the system works. And it's obvious that the drone is very effective and most powerful devices in modern industries. But after the Ukraine and Russian war, drone is also considered as a threats. I mean the weapons. Over the 4,000 of casualties and over 500 numbers of tanks was destroyed by the drones during the war. So let me show you some short videos, advertisement videos of our drone system. 소리가 소리가 안 나오는데. The sound doesn't work. Sound.
죄송한데 지금 그냥 비디오는 넘겨셔야 될 것 같습니다.
We're just gonna skip this video because of the time. And simply, this is our system picture, and we simply detect the drones up to 15 kilometers long, and we can neutralize the drones up to 8 kilometers, and we didn't use any weapons or destructive system, so we only use radio frequencies to neutralize the drones. So actually, this is the like demonstration of our drone system, anti-drone system, and as you can see the pictures right down below, we have to blur the data because of security, but it says that we all satisfied the test bills, all the test bills, and our system is divided into 6 parts. And the first one is the radar, which can, as I explained before, we can catch the drones up to 15 kilometers long. And the next one is RF scanners. Radio frequency scanners can like catches the drones as well, like the radar I explained before. And there's a camera, which is stands for electro-optical and IR camera. We can catch the drones up to 5 kilometers, and there's a integrated jammer, and it can neutralize the aerial threats like drones up to 8 kilometers. And we also have an AI-based software, so it can just manage the drones and now so on. This is a simple picture. I'm going to skip this one. And this is the radar. We have to blur the details because of the security. Our system is managed by the Korean government, so we have to blur that. But we can catch the drones up to 15 kilometers. And this is our scanner. And there's a software graphic user interfaces down below. And this is our camera. Actually, after we catch the drones and using our artificial intelligence system, it just automatically catches the drone pictures, and it just automatically pan and tilting and zoom in and zoom out its drone images. This is our jammer, and it just neutralizes the drones up to 8 kilometers long, and it is not like destructive equipment. We only use radio frequency to neutralize it, so it is very helpful. Actually, our systems has the biggest difference between other anti-drone systems. We can just like summarize into 3 parts. First, our system is demonstrated, and second one is our system is integrated, and the last one is our system is certified. Let me skip this question video. These are the test results, and this is our system's short pictures. Actually, we have 5 projects in South Korea right now, and there's the 2 pictures on the above is we applied our system as a nuclear power plants, which is very high, which has a very high level security area in every country. And we applied our system also in two international airports in Korea, and the Incheon International Airport is one of the biggest airport in South Korea. So we also applied our system, anti-drone system, to defend the airport. Actually, this is the vehicle that we made in last year, and I heard that the Royal High Princess Bin Salman visited South Korea in last year, and we also used our systems and vehicle to defend our Royal High Prince Bin Salman. Actually, this is a short picture of our system. So there's errors in the picture. We can jam 8 kilometers long, and we can detect 15 kilometers long. We still updated our systems and fixed our problems. So it's gonna be working better and so on. Thank you. I personally guarantee that if your countries or companies have problems with drone threats, like terrorists with the drones, I strongly guarantee that our system will be one of the best solutions to solving your problems and concerns. Thank you.
Thank you. That was LH next one. So that concludes the Korean presentation.
Nice, very good. I think it's better if there is any questions for anybody. إذا في أسئلة أخوان أحد يبغى يسألهم أو شيء تفضل.
بسم الله السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. First of all, thank Dr. Bandar to invite here to attend workshop with the technology for the Korean. I'm really nice to show this technology. I have some questions for the company SIS Tech. Size Tech. Systec. Okay. In your presentation, the resolution 3 centimeter. What's the altitude for drone? 250. Okay, thank you so much. And also I have other questions about the Quaternion. Yes. In your presentation, some capacity for drone, you can attach with the cable for the charger. What's the distance reach the drone with cable?
These cables up to 100 meters.
100 meter only?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Only that's my questions.
Any question? تفضل.
First of all, I would thank you all guys for being here, and thank you for Mr. Banda and Leo for hosting this workshop. And I really was amazed by the ideas you have pitched earlier. But for me, I think the breakthrough, the huge value from the drones isn't the drone itself, but integrating these new or cutting-edge technologies into MIWA ecosystem. My question in here, is there any limitation for all of you guys when it comes to using these drones and engaging these drones into a whole ecosystem like other devices or other sensors from your side?
네, 그 질문이 이제 드론의 그 어떤 기계 자체가 중요하다기보다는 이제 그 드론을 활용한 어떤 기술 그런 거를 적용할 수 있는 방법들 이제 그런 것들이 중요하다고 말씀을 하시면서 전체적인 어떤 그 농업에 대한 이코시스템이나 이 매와 부처와 관련된 어떤 기술 적용 가능성, 그 어떤 식으로 이런 드론 기술을 뭐 예를 들어서 농업이나 물 관리 쪽에 활용을 할 수가 있는지에 대해서 좀 의견을 여쭈는 건데요. 혹시 뭐 답변하실 분 계십니까?
Thank you for your question, firstly. And as I explained I think there are two term values, because in the short term, as I explained, the drone data like 2D maps and 3D models is just like a basic sketch. So you can upload it to your other data, or you can connect the sensors if you have like a beacons or other things, if you have your own data related to MEWA and also agriculture. So first of all, we would like to suggest we can try to mapping your specific part of area as a small project. Then we can discuss what kind of data you need or sensors you need to upload. Then we can make the long-term view to connect customized or some dashboard or other project together.
Okay, that does make sense. Thank you, guys. And as I said, we are not going to use the drones independently, but we want to engage that into a whole ecosystem where we have other data sources or other products we want to engage with the drone itself. And I believe that most of the use cases or ideas that you have pitched earlier is suitable to be used here in Saudi Arabia. And thank you all, guys. I think this gathering of great mindset would have an impact of translating theoretical speaking into actions. Thank you, guys.
네, 추가적으로 저는 그 한국 정부 국토교통부에서 왔는데요. 저희 한국에서 올해 10월에 글로벌 드론 산업 엑스포가 있는데 그때 스마트팜이 특별히 전시가 됩니다. 그래서 드론을 활용한 농업에 어떻게 적용할 수 있는 그런 분야들이 아주 한국에서 어떻게 펼쳐지는지를 특별히 전시하니까 그때 우리 농업부에 계신 우리 공무원들을 초청할 테니까 오셔가지고 보시고 우리 기업들하고 많은 협의를 하셨으면 좋겠습니다.
أنا أقول لكم السنة اللي جاي في معرض لوزارة الزراعة جاي يستخدم درون في مجال الزراعة عشان كده أنا أجدوكم للمعرض في كوريا السنة اللي جاي.
Which month إن شاء الله? Which month? October.
شهر أكتوبر.
October 24.
이번 해인가요? السنة دي شهر أكتوبر يوم 6 إلى 9.
This year.
Yeah, this year. معلش.
إن شاء الله.
شكرا.
Okay, thank you very much. I think no more questions. Please.
Thank you very much for your valuable presentations. Actually, my questions is separate, 3 questions, and they for all the presenters. The first question, what about the collected data? The collected data will be in the server, in the international server, or satellite, or controlled by the Saudi management? This is the first one. The second one, what do you think about the challenges and the constraints of using the drones in the agriculture sectors? Because using the drones in industrials, like you present, is different than the agriculture sectors. We have crops rather than the turfs. So if you go with the turfs to management the density of the turfs and the healthy of the turfs and the landscape, actually it is not our problems here in the agriculture sectors in the Saudi Arabia. We have so many problems. We motivated to use the drones to solve these problems. We motivated with you for contributions to management our problems to go further for agriculture sectors. Another thing, we actually last year we used already the drones for the pollination of the trees, for the palm trees, and it was very effective. Do you have something else for this? Do you have new technologies for pollination of the date palms? Do you have something like a Muscat drones equipped with softwares for the droughts? Not just for chlorophyll. We need something something to help us for the droughts, for the salinity of the soil, for also for the plant pathogens, the diseases. If we predicted the disease, the plant pathogens or the plant disease, we will get rid of many problems faced agriculture sectors in Saudi Arabia. Thank you very much.
May I just go over your 3 questions? So I think there's 3. Your first question was about data collection. How will it be managed in Saudi Arabia? Your second question was how will drone solutions help with agricultural sector compared to, say, industrial sector? Yes. What are some differences? Sure. And number 3, your question was, you had some experience testing drones for pollination of trees, and so you want to know if there are other use cases, for example, with managing droughts and pathogens and such. Is that my correct understanding? Okay. 세 가지 질문을 하셨는데, 첫 번째 질문으로는 이제 드론을 통해서 수집을 하게 되는 데이터와 관련돼서 그 데이터를 사우디 안에서 어떻게 관리를 할지 이거에 대한 좀 의견이 있으신지와, 두 번째로는 드론 기술이 이제 일반적인 어떤 산업에 적용되는 것이랑 농업에 적용되는 것이랑 좀 다를 텐데, 농업에 적용되는 드론 기술들에 대한 어떤 한계나 문제점들, 이제 그런 것들이 무엇인지, 그런 것들을 좀 어떻게 극복해 가는지가 좀 약간 농업 쪽에서는 어떻게 이 기술을 할 수 있는지에 대해서 좀 더 관심이 그게 좀 핵심 취지였던 것 같고, 세 번째 질문은 이 작년에 수분이라고 하나요? 나무 폴리네이션을 하는데 이제 드론을 한번 테스트를 해본 프로젝트가 있었답니다. 그래서 그런 테스트를 해보긴 했지만, 좀 이렇게 드론을 농업 쪽에서 적용할 수 있는 다른 어떤 사례들이 있는지, 예를 들어 가뭄을 예측을 한다든지, 아니면은 어떤 나무의 어떤 그런 뭐라고 질병이라고 하나요? 아무튼 그런 것들이 이제 퍼지는 거를 좀 모니터링을 한다든지, 또 그런 좀 농업 관련된 사례들에 대해서 질문을 하셨습니다. 혹시 답변을?
이것도 저희 쪽에서 답변을 드리겠습니다. 저희 나라에서도 지금 드론 활용 산업이 전체 산업의 50%를 넘고 있는데, 그 중에서 제일 큰 분야를 차지하는 데가 이제 농업에서 드론이 사용되는 것입니다.
في بلد كوريا استخدمنا درون في مجال الزراعية نسبة 50%.
네. 그런데 여기서 농업에 전문적인 기업이 이번에는 오지 않았는데, 요 전에 갔던 우즈베키스탄에서는 농업에서 드론을 적용하는 회사가 아주 프레젠테이션을 잘해서 우즈벡의 농림부 차관님하고 직접 MOU를 체결하기도 했습니다.
مغرد لفات كنا هنا رونا أوزبكستان مع شركات زراعية شركة درون للزراعية، وبعدين كان كل تعاون وكلام ومعلومات يقبل عليهم. عشان كده هنا عملنا MOU بين زراعة أوكرانيا وزراعة كوريا.
우즈베키스탄, 우크라이나가 아니라.
우즈베키스탄, sorry. 우즈베키스탄.
네, 근데 그 자리에서 우리 드론 기업이 제시한 것이 바로 이 농업에서 GIS를 활용한 데이터 수집을 어떻게 하느냐, 데이터 콜렉션을, 또 그리고 이거를 농업에서 스마트팜에 어떻게 적용하느냐, 그거를 실제적으로 시연해 주기로 하고 그 시연 작업을 하고 있는데, 아까도 말씀드렸듯이 올해 10월에 저희 나라에서 열리는 드론 산업 박람회에서 이런 모든 것, 스마트팜에 대한 거 모든 걸 보여주고, 또 세 번째 질문하신 드론 수분에 대해서 우리나라도 지금 벌들이 수분을 못 해가지고 드론으로 수분하는 거를 실제로 시작하고 있습니다. 그래서 그 드론으로 수분하는 것도 거기서 보여줄 수 있습니다. 그래서 이런 자료들은 메일 같은 거를 주시면은 바로 그런 회사 자료에 그를 바로 드릴 수 있도록 하고 또 10월에 저희 스마트팜이 전시되는 전시회에도 오시면 많이 볼 수 있을 걸로 기대됩니다.
شكرا لحضوركم معنا. وبعدين كان في أوزبكستان هنا عملنا معرض للسمارت بام هنا كنا ورينا إجاي تجمع كل داتا وكل حسابات وفي مجال خصوص للزراعة بدرون هنا جرب كذا تكنيك للتطوير الزراعي و عشان كده في شهر أكتوبر هنا هنفتح معرض للدرون زراعية. عشان كده لو انتوا تزورونا انتوا حصل على كل معلومات وتفاصيل.
저기 부족하시면 영어로 한 번 더 통역해 주시고. 잘 됐어요. 네.
Yes, please.
Yes, okay. First of all, thank you very much for sharing with us the latest technology about drones. Actually, the latest technology presented today operated mainly on drones for agriculture sector and water sector. And you might know also that we were problem here in case if make us to expand for indoor farming as well, even in greenhouses or indoor farming. So this technology of drones could be also operated in indoor farming, mainly for monitoring and following up with plant growth as well as harvesting the fruits for daily greens. Thank you.
네, 요즘에 이제 사우디에서도 어떤 그 뭐 실내 수직 농장이나 이런 것들을 지금 많이 조금씩 하고 있거든요. 그래서 이제 그 야외 말고 실내 쪽 뭐 스마트팜 같은 거를 운영을 할 때 뭐 이런 기술을 좀 적용할 수 있는 방법이 있는지에 대한 질문이었습니다. 혹시 답변 주실 분 계신가요?
May I speak about the indoor monitoring of using the drone? So drone technology heavily rely on GPS location for its flight plan as well as for its maneuver. However, recently we are seeing there are possibility of flying the drone inside of the building without having a GPS signals, using just rely on the computer vision technology like SLAM, which stands for simultaneous localization and mapping. Using these kind of technology, advancing it, you'll be able to fly drone inside of the warehouses and or actually smart farming part in order to capture and monitor crops as well. However, these technologies are in early stage at this moment. So we are seeing the beginning of the commercialization of drone flying indoor, and also that is something that is going on, but it's a very early stage, I have to say, in terms of general and also worldwide level of the drone technology itself.
Thank you very much, because harvesting is problematic for handling, so if you achieve this success, it would be great to share this technology with us. Thank you.
تفضل. طيب
Hi everyone, just a short comment. I'm Abdul Latif from the Saudi Data and AI Authority, SDAIA. And on behalf of SDAIA, I would like to thank you all for this great presentation. The amazing technologies that we've seen in construction, security, in golf, and also in anti-drone as well. I think the data captured is huge with these instruments, and we think this opens a lot of more opportunities especially for small farmers to capitalize on this data and to support small farmers. As my colleagues here mentioned, there are a lot of challenges that farmers face, and not just only in the agriculture, but also in the water and environment. So thank you so much.
네, 요거는 그냥 뭐 질문이라기보다는 간단한 뭐 코멘트 주셨는데, 서다야라고 그 디지털하고 AI 쪽 어소리티입니다. 그래서 그 IT 쪽에 그 관할하고 있는 사우디 정부기관 중에 하나고요. 그래서 뭐 그 드론 기술 오늘 발표 들으신 거, 발표해 주신 것들 들어보면 또 좋았고, 그 이런 드론을 활용을 하면은 데이터가 이제 많이 모이게 되는데, 그 데이터라는 게 이제 실은 이런 그 농업에 적용됐을 때 소규모 농장이나 이제 그런 소규모 농업 기업들에도 큰 도움이 될 것 같다. 그래서 뭐 농업뿐만 아니라 그 어떤 여기에서 수자원도 굉장히 중요한 어떤 그 현안인데, 수자원 관리나 이제 여러 가지 분야에서 도움이 될 것 같다는 코멘트 주셨습니다.
I think we take a good time. It was very good meeting. We need a copy from this presentations, please. If you kindly give us a copy, give it to Dr. Bandar to make analysis and something like that for that. أعتقد ما عندنا شيء جديد. شكرا جزيلا. Thank you for our friends from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and Korean companies. Inshallah, next time we'll meet, inshallah, and see more and more, inshallah, in these functions. Thank you very much, and see you later.
Thank you. Shukran.